All right, so everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Alora level, otherwise known as level number 37 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So the first thing we need to do is we need to read the mission.txt file to find out what we need to do on this level. So we're going to see that in mission number 37, it says the user Julie has created an ISO with their password. So an ISO with their password. That's so what are ISO files? So ISO files are, I'm pretty sure they're CD images. If we take a look at what kind of file this file is, the music.iso file, it's gonna identify this as a CD-ROM file system. Okay, so in this case, ISO files are CD-ROM files. So the first thing we want to do is we want to transfer this off of this file system because we can't necessarily open this file inside of the Venus server. So what we're going to do is we're going to transfer the file over to our own Kali Linux system. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use the cat command on the music.iso file, and we're going to turn this into base64 encoded data. So we're just going to pipe the cat file into base64, and then this is the base64 version of the music.iso file. So here's a trick. If you want to, if you need to scroll up a lot in order to take a look, in order to copy something, what you can do is you can make the text really small, and that's going to make scrolling a lot easier. So I'm just going to make this really small. Oh, that is hard to look at. But eventually, wow, that is hard to see. I'm scrolling up right now, and even when the text is super small like this, let me just try using the this goes all the way up. Okay, so this is the top. Great. I'm just gonna select this stuff here, and then we're gonna go all the way down. There's got to be, if anybody has a better way to do this, please let us know in the comments, and I'll be very, 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 very thankful. Just how do you copy stuff like this to your clipboard automatically? So it has to be a tool that that can be found on all Linux distributions, because the Venus CTF server probably doesn't have any fancy tools. Okay, so we've copied this all. Great, let's copy the selection. Let's go over to our Kali Linux terminal. And in the Kali Linux terminal, we're going to do nano. We're going to call this music.b64 because this is base64 encoded data. We're going to paste this in. Okay. And then we're going to save out the file. So we've got this music.b64 file. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this back into its original form by doing cat music.b64 and then pipe that into base64 decode, and then redirect that into music.iso. Okay, so if we take a look at music.iso now, this is the CD-ROM file system. Great. Okay, so the last thing we need to do is we need to open this file. So if you don't know how to open, if you don't know which program you use to open a file, there's a handy utility inside of Linux on the command terminal called xdg-open. So you just do the xdg open command on whatever file you want to access, and it's going to choose the correct application for you if the correct application is installed on the system. So if we give this command here, then it opens up this, so it looks like some sort of unzip utility. So you've got music.zip. Let's try opening it. And we've got this pwn directory. So we're just going to select the pwn directory. We're going to select extract from here. And we're going to extract it to our temp directory and click on extract. And then close that, close all this. Okay, so we created the pwn directory in here. Let's enter it. Here's the Alora directory. Let's go in there. And then music.txt. This is the password for the next level. So if you remember, this was the target user for this level was the Julie user. So this is the password for the Julie user. Okay, let's write up a little after action report for this. This is level number 37, the Alora level. Okay, so let's talk about how we solve this level. So the target user is the Julie user, and the method of solve for this level is download the ISO file to our computer, then extract the file from the ISO file. And the key commands here, we could do this, or we could do cat ISO cat music.iso, pipe into base64, copy from clipboard, and then create base64 file, then decode from base64. And then xcg open music.iso, and there we go. Okay, so everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Alora level, otherwise known as level number 37 from the Venus CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons underneath the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.